Let me tell you what's the difference between the Complete Guide to Product Photography certification program and Pro Club membership. I'm Alex Koloskov, the founder of Photigy School of Photography. The Complete Guide is a special program that we made for photographers that has a very little knowledge in product photography. Basically, if you are new to product photography at all, or if you are new to any photography at all, the Complete Guide is for you. Why is this? Because it's like going to school, to college, okay, to the college, when you will have classes and then you will have a homework to do, and then you have to do the homework, submit it to the instructor, basically send it to your teacher, and teacher should approve it. It will be a review and critique recorded personally for you based on your work. Instructor will be looking at your work and recording the review of it, showing you what is not right and what it is right and how to do right things. It will be a special video that will be sent to you. If all is good, it will be approved and you move to the next lesson, okay, of the program. And the program lasts for 1 year. We have about over the 20 assignments, okay, that you need to do, and each one is a little bit more complex than the previous one, so it gets more advanced and advanced over the time, starting from very simple things and ending up with creative shots, creative advertising images. Okay, this is the Complete Guide for you if you are really new to product photography or to photography at all, and you want a guidance, you want instructor to guide you through the stages of getting that knowledge that's required to run photography business, commercial product photography business. On other hand, Pro Club, it's a membership. There is no specific terms of when you need to start and finish. You subscribe to it and you just keep your subscription active either by paying month by month or annual subscription when you pay every year. And the Pro Club is something where you choose yourself what to do, okay? There is instructor feedback as well, because every month we add a new workshop to the Pro Club. We're going to add actually interviews and all kind of things to Pro Club on the monthly basis, so every month will be new things to come into Pro Club, and you can choose either participate on the workshop or do something else and submit for the review. So you choose by yourself what to do. There is no specific guidance, there is no specific order on Pro Club. And in general, Pro Club is more advanced than the Complete Guide. Even though in Pro Club we have pretty basic tutorials, there are over 600 tutorials, so you can find everything. But it's not a guided type of education. You do it on your own and you choose what to do. So this is the difference, and I hope it will clear things for you. If you already know basics, if you have a pretty good product photography portfolio, but it's rather plain, you don't have some creative images there, and you want to learn all this crazy stuff like how to shoot with fire, with smoke, with splashing liquid, with paint, all the things that we do in Pro Club. It's really, well, complex work, lots of work in Photoshop, lots of work in studio. You can join Pro Club and stay as long as you want. But if you want a college-like education where you will be guaranteed that for 1 year, in 1 year or less, actually, if you do faster, if you do things faster, because it's your own pace, you work with instructor independently from any other student. It's like one-to-one relationship. It's hard to skip things. Of course, you can stop any day. It's up to you, but we will ask you to do homework, we will ask you to do it right, we will ask you to redo things if they're not good enough to jump to next level on the certification program. Okay? On Pro Club, you are on your own. Now it's up to you what to join. In either case, I'll be happy to meet you on any program, because I do most of the critique on both programs, and well, I'll give you a hard time in either. Okay, see you on the courses. I'm sure I will help you to get better in product photography and to build the business of product photography eventually.